Looking to boost your car's audio system without replacing the entire stereo? The speaker to RCA converter offers a straightforward way to connect your car's speaker wires to RCA inputs, making it simple to add an amplifier or subwoofer. It's compatible with high-power stereos up to 90 watts per channel, ensuring strong, clear sound without any static or buzzing. Installation couldn't be easier. Instead of tearing apart your dashboard, you just tap into your existing speaker wires using the included snap adapters. This means no need to remove your car stereo or run complicated wiring. Clear instructions come with the converter, so even DIY beginners can handle the upgrade without hassle. If you're planning to add a subwoofer, this converter doubles as a handy speaker wire to subwoofer adapter. It simplifies hooking up your subwoofer to an amplifier, giving you richer bass and an overall more immersive sound experience in your car. Whether you want to upgrade your music or enhance your road trip vibes, this converter makes it possible. What sets this converter apart is the independent left and right channel level adjustments. This feature helps you fine-tune the sound balance exactly how you like it, whether you're running a 2-channel or mono amplifier. Plus, the built-in signal sensing 12 volts remote turn-on output means your amplifier powers on automatically with your stereo. To top it off, the package includes a mountable remote control knob that lets you adjust your subwoofer's bass level right from the dashboard. No more pulling over to tweak settings manually. This remote bass knob gives you quick, convenient control while you're driving, keeping your focus on the road. Customers love how easy this upgrade is. One user shared that tapping into the stock subwoofer wires instead of the rear speakers delivers the best low-frequency response for their subwoofer system. It's a smart tip that helps you get the most out of your setup without extra expense. Backed by Scotia's limited lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support, this converter is a reliable choice that won't leave you stranded. It's built to last and designed to make your car audio upgrades smooth and satisfying. If you're ready to enhance your car's sound system with clean, powerful audio and easy installation, this speaker to RCA converter is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to experience clearer sound and better bass control on every drive.